chess club held a bake sale to raise money. Cupcakes and cookies were sold. Cupcakes were sold for $1 each. Cookies were sold for 50 cents each. The members sold a total of 288 items, and of those items sold, 2/3 were cupcakes, and the remaining items were cookies. So let's look at the total, always starting with what we start with. So we have to know, what is our piece of data that we begin our problem with? And it looks like the total is 288 items were sold, and we're going to take that item and break it apart. So let's talk a little about 2/3 of those were cupcakes. 2/3 of 288 were cupcakes. So let's break it into the thirds. We take 288 and divide it by 3, so we could take it into 1/3, 2/3, and 3/3, and then highlight 2/3 of them. That's 96 and 96. We add those together, we get 192. So we know 2/3 of 288 is 192. So when we break this down, it says 2/3 were cupcakes, so 192 items were cupcakes, and cupcakes were sold for $1 each. So we'll put $1 in our table. And cookies were sold for 50 cents each, and we know that's 96 because that's 1/3 of our data. So then we just take this and we multiply them together. $1 bill times 192 is $192. 50 cents, it takes 2 50 cents to make $1, so half of 96 would be $48 when we divide that out. So $48 would be our cookies sold. So let's go back and look. We broke that down into 2/3, just fractions. How much money did the chess members raise from the cookies that were sold? $48.